Question 26. I spend £5 on cups of coffee and cups of tea. And before we go on, let's make it clear that there's no change. We're spending exactly £5. That's probably would have been better if it had said I spent exactly £5. So I spent exactly £5, no change on cups of coffee and cups of tea. A cup of coffee costs £1.20 and a cup of tea costs 70p. How many of each drink did I buy? Now, this is basically to do with multiples. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about coffees on one line and do multiples of £1.20. And we're going to do teas on another line and do multiples of 70p. And then we're going to see if we can find some combination of coffees and teas that adds up to £5. So if we go coffees first, one coffee would be £1.20. Another coffee on top of that would be another £1.20, taking us to £2.40. Another £1.20 on top of that will take us to £3.60. Another £1.20 on top of that will take us to £4.80. And another £1.20 on top of that will take us to £6. Now, there's no point in me going any further because I actually only spent £5, and that's £6 already gone over the £5. So that's one coffee, two coffees, three coffees, four coffees, five coffees. But as I've just said, 5 coffees, no use because we've already gone over. Now let's do the same for cups of tea. So one cup of tea would be 70p. 2 cups of tea, another 70p, £1.40. Another 70p would be £2.10. Another 70p would be £2.80. Now, there's no reason why I couldn't have more cups of tea because I haven't gone over my £5 yet. So £3.50 would be another 70p. 4.20 would be another 70p. 4.90 would be another 70p. So that would be 6 cups of tea, 7 cups of tea. 8 cups of tea is going to be the one that takes me over £5. 8 cups of tea would be £5.60, and that's no use because I've gone over. So all we're doing now is we're looking for a pair of numbers that adds up to make exactly £5. And this is where you just got to look, really. So what you might want to do is pause the video, spend 30 seconds to look at it, and you probably will find the answer within 30 seconds. We just need a combination that adds up to £5. So if you want to unpause when you got the answer. Okay, so the answer, I hope you've all had a go at that, is basically these two here add up to exactly £5. £3.60 and £1.40 makes £5. And so that's going to give you your combination. It would be this £3.60 is 3 coffees. And this £1.40 is 2 teas. So your final answer is 3 coffees plus 2 teas.